This video will be about the vendors and manufacturer modules in our software. To access those modules, click on the navigational hamburger on the top left-hand side of the screen. Just type in the first few letters of vendors and it pops up to the top. Inputting a vendor is very similar to inputting a client or a sublocation in our software. The only exception is underneath the vendor, you're going to see account number, and then terms is a drop-down box. You can change the drop-down box in any of the terms there on the right-hand side. The margin, you can go to the bottom to the keypad on the bottom and change the margin. The margin will show up on the vendor product on the product page. Let's look at the tabs in the middle of the page. The product here, the product tab is all the products that you purchase from this vendor. Click on the product. It takes you to the product page. The top right-hand side, right across from the picture, you see vendor name is Acorn and manufacturer is Whitehall. To get back to the vendor, click on vendor name. You go back to the vendor module. Purchase order, these are all the purchase orders that are associated with Acorn Manufacturing. Contact is super important. This is a place where if your service technician's in the field, he needs to contact the vendor. He has access to this information instantly. There's a blue circle with an eye in the middle on the work order and the inspection reports. He clicks on that and this information for this vendor populates and he can contact them quickly from the field. On the contact page, this contact page is identical to the contact page for sublocations and clients. The only difference is it has vendors instead of clients populated. So click on vendors to get back to the vendor Acorn. And the next tab is the manufacturer tab. There are two manufacturers associated with Acorn Engineering. Click on Admiral. This is the manufacturer module. The top box is all about the manufacturer. The second box is the vendor that's attached to that manufacturer. If you need to change the vendor that's attached to that manufacturer, click on the magnifying glass with the vendor name, the next box, and you can change it there. If you were to go to the manufacturer in the navigation hamburger manufacturer list, you come right back to this exact same page because this is the manufacturer module. Click on vendor to get back to the vendor page, and we're back where we started. If you have any questions, just let me know.